Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a product that promises to save you money without compromising on print quality. The GPC Image Remanufactured Ink Cartridge Replacement for HP 62 XL. This particular pack comes with one black and one tricolor cartridge, designed to be a direct fit for a wide range of HP Envy and OfficeJet printers, including popular models like the Envy 5540, 5660, 7645, and OfficeJet 250, 5740, among others. When considering remanufactured cartridges, the primary concerns often revolve around compatibility and performance. This GPC image set aims to address both. Upon unboxing, the cartridges appear well packaged and robust, giving a good first impression. Installation is straightforward, mirroring the process for original HP cartridges. The printer recognizes them without any error messages, which is a crucial first hurdle for any third-party ink. This seamless integration is a significant relief for anyone who has dealt with finicky printers, rejecting non-OEM supplies. Now, on to the print quality, which is arguably the most important aspect. For everyday documents, the black ink delivers crisp, sharp text that is indistinguishable from prints made with original HP cartridges. Lines are clean, and there's no noticeable smudging or feathering. The tricolor cartridge also performs admirably. Colors appear vibrant and true to life, whether printing photos or colorful graphics. Skin tones and images look natural, and gradients are smooth without banding. While a professional photographer might discern minute differences under extreme scrutiny, for the vast majority of users, the output quality is more than satisfactory for home, school, or small office use. Another key factor is the yield. These are XL cartridges, meaning they are designed to last longer than standard cartridges. Users have reported that the page yield is comparable to what one would expect from an OEM XL cartridge, providing a good number of prints before needing replacement. This extended life, combined with the lower purchase price, makes them an incredibly cost-effective solution. It's a smart choice for those who print frequently and want to reduce their ongoing printing expenses. Furthermore, using remanufactured cartridges like these also has an environmental benefit. By reusing and refilling existing cartridge shells, it helps reduce waste and the demand for new plastic production, contributing to a more sustainable printing practice. The GPC image cartridges have proven to be reliable, with no reports of clogging printheads or causing printer malfunctions, which can sometimes be a concern with lesser quality alternatives. In conclusion, the GPC Image Remanufactured Ink Cartridge Replacement for HP 62 XL offers an excellent balance of affordability, performance, and reliability. It's a highly recommended alternative for HP Envy and OfficeJet users looking to cut down on ink costs without sacrificing print quality. For anyone on the fence about trying remanufactured ink, this set provides a compelling reason to make the switch.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.